Hello guys and welcome to the Grand Theft Auto. We are here again with the Gaming Frog. So today in this episode we're just gonna go to do random stuff. I got this car and it's fast and I do got pretty much money. Wait, fuck chicken? I want chicken nugget. Whatever. Let's just keep on driving. They're gonna go up the mountain, or I don't know. Or do I? Yes, I think I do. So I got money and the car. Fuck. Okay. So we're up on the mountain. So we're actually gonna do pretty much things today. First one is don't being busted off the cops. We're gonna do hill driving, I think. Oh my god. Keep on. No. What the fuck? Oh my god. The car should flip. Oh god. This is way too... Oh my god. Oh shit, this is not gonna end well. Oh my... Oh, what the fuck, dude? No, this awesome car. Please, don't, no. Fuck, no, dude. Actually, you should wait a sec. No, you don't should wait a sec because I just gonna take a car. Which one?
What is this bullshit?
Fuck.
Fuck this!
I take this car. It will be good. Fuck you.
What exactly is wrong with you?
Oh, I see. This car. Oh, good. First mission. Steal a cop car. Don't give a fuck about the cops. Take your submachine gun. Or something more quiet. Maybe like this. And don't get any cops after you. It is easy. So we got the cop car. Oh, holy crap! Where's my car? Oh shit, I'm almost dead. Oh my god! It's still working. Holy crap, that fucking crash. Did I go up there? Please let this appear. What's up with this place, dude? Oh, holy crappy crap. Oh, holy crappy crap. Okay, we'll keep going. Oh my god. Fuck.
They're really making my skin crawl. Oh shit, man!
Well, thank you for my car. Fuck you for everything. Let's go. Yay. Keep go. Next mission. Do a freaking barrel roll. Fuck. So just keep going and everything will be fine.
Like a tough guy.
Just keep going. And he did go freaking awesome. Got a better car, so just keep on. We're gonna do the barrel. Oh shit. Barrel. Please, barrel. Fuck. No, my what? Back. Lol. What? Did I kill someone? Okay, let's take the stunt. It's called like get in the fucking military place. Base. Not place. Base. Okay. Here we go. Oh, you stupid little crappy shit. Oh fuck. This is not gonna go now. Okay, we're just trying to break it. Fuck. You stupid ass car. Where are you? Fuck, he's gone. He's gone way too far. Oh yeah. Volume. Okay, dry one. We're on speed. Oh god, this is gonna work. Oh, you stupid fuck. Okay, guys, I need to end this video here. With next episode, we will try to get in the military bus with a gooder car, better car. So bye.